Here we go.
I would say from Wipro point of view, we are one of the oldest player out there in Indian market. India and Middle East is what I cover, so I would like to comment on India and Middle East per se. And from our audience perspective, from our visibility perspective, from our branding perspective, I would say Wipro is an extremely strong brand this point in time. We have a large set of customer base. We have, we have always been known as a very, very ethical organization. I wouldn't say the challenge bit of it, but I would say the way forward for Wipro from marketing point of view and from the branding point of view and from the value proposition or the perception point of view, where we would like to be seen. We would like to be seen as a trendsetter, as a thinkers of this particular geo. We have always been doing a lot of infra work. We have been doing good in app space. We have been always servicing our clients pretty well. What we would like to position and what we would like to give a messaging to this part of the world is we are coming from a thinking world, and we can help you build your business. We are the partners not only for the execution, but we can help you building your business. And when it comes to IT, when it comes to IT services, you should just forget about it and you should just hand it over to us. And from the value proposition point of view, as I said, we are good in execution, we are good at doing what you said, but we are also good in thinking for you. So take us as a thinking world for us, partner with us, because we can think for you, we can offload the work which is not really relevant for you, for your business, but we can help you in building your business. So that's from Wipro. From the CBIT point of view, I would say this is the first time for CBIT, and we are seeing the traction for the first time, and the way they started, I think that's a pretty good start for them. The way they handshook with the right nodal body at Bangalore, I think it's the right way to start, because they got a lot of PR in the beginning. They are getting a lot of PR right now as well, because they shook hands with the nodal body, and that's the way to move forward. What I would expect from CBIT India is also to do a smaller or also to bring in the smaller platforms wherein the right content could be discussed upon. I mean, it might not be very large forums, smaller forums with a smaller set of people, but wherein the content and where the knowledge share could happen, I mean, that's because that's what we look forward for, and wherein right networking could happen. We could understand what others are doing in this particular field. Might not be always in a very, very large platform, very, very large forum, because I feel that many a times large platform, large forums, you are not able to hear everybody. And if it is niche, if it is very domain specific, and it is very specific to that particular topic or that particular geo, I think that would be the expectation from CBIT India.
Thank you very much.